What is good? What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? I just want to say thanks for tuning in. It is 3:52. I'm finally able to shoot a video. My daughter has been giving me the blues. She's been a little bit under the weather, so she's been demanding a lot of TLC. So I've just been very, very busy, but I'm able to take some time out now to get to this video, guys. And I hope that you guys enjoy it because I'm giving you a back office tour of my income club, of what you guys are going to get, and see why it's so awesome and why you definitely want to be a part of this. We're also going to share a brief overview of the Facebook group as well, so you can see exactly the support, exactly what we're getting here and how you're going to be successful as well with this system. Okay, so step one, once you actually get signed up for your marketing system, they're gonna literally walk you through the first 4 steps. Okay, everything else from here is just literally just training. But from here on step one, they're gonna break everything down, and then they're gonna tell you to go to step one. Okay, which step one is gonna be joining the Facebook group. Okay, once you join the Facebook group, you want to go to step 2. Okay, so once we go to step 2, that's gonna take us to MyEcon.
What's up, guys? Welcome to step 2.
Is the first income stream, guys. You guys heard me talk about MyEcon for a very long time now. You're able to earn instant commissions and residual commissions, and they pay out every Friday, direct deposit into your account, guys. You gotta love them. Now, this is only for the United States as far as this income stream here, okay? So if you're overseas or anything like that, definitely I hope you know someone that that can take your payments or your commissions for you inside the United States. All right. Now, MyEcon is literally a financial literacy program that's going to teach you the ins and outs about your credit, also investment strategies, and so on. So I don't want to get too deep because the video does all the selling and telling for you as well. And if you have questions, you can definitely tune in to that portion of the video and just see exactly what you get, which we definitely encourage you to do anyway. Okay. Now, once you do that, guys, you want to take a look into step 3. I got some stuff going on here. You want to take a look into step 3. Okay. So when you go into step 3, which is going to take you to Easy One Up. Easy One Up is going to teach you marketing, okay? Literally things that you need to know as far as marketing goes, as far as solo ads, Facebook ads, social media ads, all the way down to, just Facebook posting, okay? We're going to give you everything you need to know. Now, with this particular business here, you're able to earn from $25 all the way up to $2,000, and it's one-time instant commissions right into your PayPal, into your Stripe, your Payza, Bitcoin, whatever you want to use, guys. You can definitely utilize it to get paid with this system, and they're going to teach your prospects how to market online. Okay, it's a vault of videos, and once you're in, guys, you wouldn't believe the commission that you're going to make. But you're going to see this in the Facebook group of people being welcome. You're going to see people actually making commissions. Guys, it's amazing of how many lives are being changed just from one system. Okay. Now, once you've signed up, guys, you want to take your username and apply these to each one. So that way, if anyone signs up for these income streams, they check out your marketing system or your platform, you're going to get the commissions and get notified that you got to sell. How awesome is that? Okay. Now, once you go to step 4, you're in. You're all good to go. So you're ready to start promoting.
You're awesome.
Now you're able to start promoting, and this is what what you're going to be able to get as far as your marketing system. Alright, so for the potential newbie, guys, you want to take one of these links here, okay? So we have a done-for-you system where we will do the following up for you, which the owners of the MyEcon system will. They'll do the following up for you. Now, one thing that I do with this business is that I actually have them to go through the system, and then I export my leads into my Aweber, so now they're getting emails from me and from the marketing system itself. So, just if I have a rough day and I'm not able to really hit my list, guess what? That list is still being hit because they went through my main page first. All right. Now with this one, this page here, the VSL here, the VSL is for anyone that is involved in, let's say, Builderall or the Conversion Pros, and they just want to utilize the VSL, but you want to capture them and send them through your own funnel through one of those marketing systems. You can definitely do that. We also have a Builderall copy page that you can use to get the exact same pages also. So if you're in Builderall, we still got your back. The Conversion Pros, we don't have anything for it, guys. So you might have to just build your own funnel around that and utilize the VSL. Now, another thing that you can do with this platform as well is that you can borrow the actual Watch Now page. And what I mean is that you can borrow it is that you can take this page here, utilize your own YouTube video, and use the social proof. And I have this pulled up because this is one of the videos that I shot here about My Income Club. It was a review, and it was also about in-game, you know, just asking people, let me know what their thoughts was, you know, after I checked it out. And then this is just a video of me watching it and, you know, just building relationships with people. But this is social proof. So when people say, man, let me see what else, who else is joining this, now they see that there's other people that's involved in this, and they can see, you know, how active that they are. So the social proof helps you get those sales that you're going to need at the end. And let me show you how the way this works. So you might be thinking, what is the code? So let's just say I go into YouTube, right?
What's good, what's good, what's good, what's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle.
So actually when I go to my YouTube video, this was my code.
What's goody, what's good, guys? It is another beautiful.
And pause this. So this was my actual code on my YouTube video. Alright, so let me go out of this. I want to show you guys here. So if you're on YouTube, you're like, man, what exactly is this? Your code that you're speaking of. This is the code. So when I take this code here, I can apply it over here.
Monday. So shout out to everyone that is looking to dive into.
Let me pause this. Let me go back. System's starting to freeze up. But pretty much like this code, copy it and paste it. Here's a couple different ones I did. Oh. But here we go. Okay? And you would generate the link. Boom. That's your link now. So you're able to take this link and promote this. And it's your own video utilizing the social proof. It's your own video utilizing the social proof. Okay? So I thought that was very awesome for a system to allow you to do that, to utilize their system and their funnel, to customize it for you to, you know, be able to brand yourself. Not only just using the same videos, you know, now if you've done your own type of marketing or your own your own attraction marketing video, you can apply that and send it out to your list through emails. That's very powerful. Okay? And that's why I definitely want to share with you guys. But you're going to have the training here as far as, you know, how to email your leads. So as I mentioned, guys, I actually have Aweber as well. So I'm able to send messages to my list through Aweber. Okay? So a broadcast message, I have my follow-ups, my double opt-ins. It tells you how to literally do everything you're going to need, okay? We're going to show you how to build sales funnels on your own and brand yourself and your team. So they're going to, one of the programs that they're using is ClickFunnels. But again, guys, this is not, you don't have to utilize ClickFunnels. You know, this is just something that's in there because this is the thing that they use. But I have people that utilize Builderall. I have people that utilize the Conversion Pros. So that's why I mentioned that if you do have your own system here and you want to funnel them through the Conversion Pros, you just use the VSL. Okay, we have resources for you as far as email swipes. Now I'm sorry, I didn't go back over here. Let me go back over to traffic. Okay, so for when you want to start marketing here, and I'm going to give you bonus training as well as far as social media ads training goes. But you're going to learn some free traffic sources, content creation, YouTube strategies, Facebook strategies, just things that are going to get you going as far as the right direction that you need to go to get business and to get eyeballs on your business. Okay, now the resources as far as email swipes, SMS blasts, you know, so if you're doing text message marketing, this is a good little thing to use. Facebook posting, different things that you can use as far as some of these solo ads that they have there. I mean, ad swipes that they have. This is where your leads are at. I'm not going to pull my leads up simply because I don't want anyone going in. I don't feel like trying to highlight them and all that stuff. Guys, it is what it is. I don't care. All right. Now over here is going to be where you can buy traffic as far as solo ads goes. Okay, Udemy, you guys hear me talk about Udemy all the time. I literally have that inside of my description as far as some of the tools that I use to generate traffic into my business and to get eyeballs into my business, guys. So we're going to get you going as far as started off in this business and get you off to the races. But you have to plug in. You have to plug into the system. Now let me go over here into the Facebook group, okay? So I want to share with you guys some of the payments that people are receiving here. You know, people are making money. And I apologize, like I said, if it's running a little slow. I had this pulled up and then my daughter just started demanding so much attention. And now I came right back to it. Now my computer's running a little slow here. But you can see here, $250. That was a $250 commission there. Let's see here. Vertex Live, that's $2,000 commission. Okay, the Vertex Live is a $2,000 commission. Just some training that we have. The the Vertex Pro, which is $1,000 commission. Vertex Pro, $1,000 commission. Somebody being welcomed into the group. Updated My Income Club. We got the updated boosting group. Guys, we're here to help you. This is a powerful system. I mean, you see people making big money here. Another $19 commission. You know, a $19 sale that they made on MyEcon. Look at this, guys. Look at the training. See, we're here to make sure that you win. Okay? You can see people are welcoming people because they're joining at every level here. It's money being made. Money being made. People joining the system. Okay? So I wanted to share this with you guys to let you know, hey, we got your back. Don't be scared to join. Okay? Not only did you set up a system, but also plug into your income stream. So that way you can definitely benefit from everything that we have going on, guys. And okay, so I'm gonna wrap this video on up here. I hope you guys found some value from it as far as checking out the system and being into the back office and just letting you know the help that you're gonna have. So hopefully that I can be welcoming you into the group as well soon and get you going also. So this your boy Jay.
Hey, what's up?
Have a beautiful and blessed day. Until the next video, I'm out. Peace.